Trying to guess which single song will be the #1 hit next year is a game of chance. You're scrolling through thousands of tracks, hoping you pick the one artist who actually breaks through. In the music world, guessing wrong just means a boring playlist. In the stock market, picking the wrong company can wipe out your savings. That risk is why so many people are afraid to even start. There is another way to play. You can stop guessing which track will win and simply own the entire Top 500 playlist all at once. This list updates itself. When a song loses its audience, it drops off the chart. When a new hit emerges, it takes over a top spot. It stays current without you doing anything. An automated financial playlist puts the market's winners in your pocket by default. To get started, you don't need to shout orders on a crowded trading floor. You just need to download a modern app on your smartphone. When you open the account, look for a tax-shielded option like an ISA or a Roth IRA. This is essentially a digital folder that legally hides your investment growth from the taxman. Inside that folder, you add your playlist. In the financial world, it's called an index fund, and the most famous one tracks a list of companies known as the S&P 500. Your money splits into 500 pieces, buying a tiny slice of the biggest companies at the same time. If a company starts to fail, the fund drops it. A new, growing business fills the gap. You're always holding the top performers. You can buy into this grid with as little as a single dollar. This is possible through fractional shares, which let you purchase tiny crumbs of expensive companies. Holding this fund inside a tax-shielded account allows your money to track these 500 major businesses without you ever making a manual trade. Now that the playlist is set, you just have to turn on autoplay. You start with an amount so small you won't even notice it's gone. $5 a day. The price of a cup of coffee. You set your app to automatically take that amount from your bank and invest it on a schedule. Once the schedule is running, move the app off your home screen. You want this financial machine to work entirely in the background without you having to anxiously check your balance every single day. Building wealth comes down to consistent, emotionless automation that happens while you're busy living your life. The most common fear is what happens to this system when the entire stock market crashes. We have seen massive panics before. We saw the dot-com bubble burst in 2000 and the red graphs of the 2020 economic shutdown. Look at the historical data. The line features deep, scary dips, but it eventually recovers and climbs to new record highs every single time. These crashes behave like a brief skip in a playlist. The chart finds its way back to the top as new companies rise to replace the ones that failed. Let's look at the math of that $5 coffee. Over a month, that is about $250. If you keep that small amount moving into the market for 30 to 40 years, it will grow into over $1 million. The vast majority of that is pure growth. It's money your machine made while sleeping. Financial freedom is achieved by building a simple system, stepping out of your own way, and letting time do the heavy lifting.